All right, welcome to the value elicitation through Soul Code. Here at Soul Code Discovery Center, one of the key elements that helps us with the growth, and I'm going to help you with, is discovering your core values. Once you understand your core values, everything begins to shift. Your core values determine how you make decisions. Successful people make fast, good decisions because they have the ability to know clearly what the hierarchy of their values are, and as a result, a yes and a no is easy. In this section, to begin, you simply fill out first between 8 to 12 of any of your values that you consider a value in your life. That is what you're going to do in the first section. In section 2, you're going to go ahead and write down where you believe these values exist right now, and they're not so perfect in their corrupted form, where they're creating the kind of chaos in your life as it is. So for example, let me give you an example. If you go ahead and write a value as, let's say you wrote down money as your number one value, relationship as your number 2, right? And a host of other values, but you notice that you do not even have health listed there. This means that you'll be suffering from being able to make good decisions for health simply because the value of health is not even listed there. So just to review, in the first section, you're going to just write down between 8 to 12 of your values with no specific order, just random as it is, whatever comes to your gut, the first gut feeling that comes to you. In section 2, you're going to organize them as they are now, not as you want them to be, but as they are now. In section 3, you're going to write down how these values should be organized as top priorities in a way that it should give you the results that you want in your life. And finally, after you've done all that and you submit it, we'll be in touch with you to do a very powerful subconscious shift so that you can keep your highest values at its highest realm. And this occurs if you have your VIP membership for us to guide you with.